In this video, I will show you how you can go ahead and download Telegram private videos. So this is a private group, as you can see. Let me just prove that to you. So if I come and click on this, group type is private. Normally you cannot download these videos. What you just need to do is come here on Google, search for Chrome Web Store, open up this first link and just search for Telegram, okay, private video downloader. Here we go. This is the one. That's what the logo looks like. Go ahead and search that up. And then just go ahead and add this to your Chrome browser. Now come here and click on add extension and it will start downloading automatically. So we just wait for the download and the extension to be added to our Chrome. We just wait for that. There we go. It has been added to our Chrome and that refreshed my Telegram. Let me go ahead and pin this extension as well. There we go. Now, if I come back to this group, you see this option that says download. So I can come here and just click on a download video. Look at this. And it will start downloading the video automatically. So let me go ahead and pause that video real quick. So there we go. It's really that easy and simple. You just need to use this Chrome extension.